Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon Pixma MG5753. Now this is nice and simple, and can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the control panel you can see here. Now my printer is already set to English, but I'm going to make any button presses I do very clear so you can follow it regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you'd like it changed to. So, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which should look like this. If you're not already here, there's a home button there to be taken here. Now we're going to press down twice on the little D-pad here. And once we're here, we need to go into setup, which is represented with this icon, which is a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. So press the button underneath. And once we're in here, we need to go one to the right to device settings. Again, you're looking for this little icon, with the little sliders on there. That's okay to go in. Now language selection is down here. So we press down 1, 2, 3, 4 times to select it. So you should be 3 from the bottom. Press OK. And here you've got a list of all the different languages your printer uses. English is right towards the top, which is presumably what you're going for. And you can see from the grey indicator here how far down the list you are. So you can just mash up a whole load of times to be taken here if you're not already in the area. Once you have the language you wish to change it to selected, just press OK and you're done. If this video has been useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.